So, welcome again to this channel. Today we continue learn Python by the Python official tutorial python.org. So let's start. First of all, let's have practice with our list which we're starting. Let's run our app. Let's create a list. So we must type list name here, list, and it must be equal to, for example, we must also set square brackets here, and with this list, which name is list, with name list will contain something like that: 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 7. So how we can show to users this? Let's run it. We complain about this because it used it in Python. So let's do it and run. Oops. We must make something like that. Yes, because it's not C programming language. So we have a list which contain 1, 3, 4, 7. Now we can print it. Let's print it. Print list. Run, and we can see that our list is printed. Let's also create one more list, list 2, which will be equal to square brackets a string type, for example hello must be here, would be here, and this line would be world. So list 2 will contain 2 words. First is hello, second is world. Let's print our list 2. What we will have? We have our list 2. Also we can concatenate this two lists. How we can do this? We can to merge these two lists. We can create new list which will create two previous lists, list 1 and list 2, and let me print x. So we can see that it contains we created list which contains to our previous list. Yes. Also we must to know something more on list topic. For example, that we have some more method here. Here are all of methods of list object. So here is list dot append method. This method add an item to the end of the list, is equivalent to this sign. List dot extend extends the list by appending all the items from the iterable. List dot insert inserting an item at a given position. The first argument is the index of the element before which to insert. So dot insert 0, x inserts at the front of the list, and a dot insert len a, x is equivalent to a dot append. list dot remove fun um, method remove the first item from the list whose value is equal to x. It traces a value error. So let's, for example, use dot append method and see how it works. Let's delete it all and use list dot append and let me push, for example, 2. We have error here because name x is not definite, so we must print here our list because we deleted our previous list. Yeah, and we see that it added a new element 2. Also here is pop function. Pop function removes the item at the given position in the list and return it. If no index is specified, a.pop removes and returns the last item in the list. The square brackets around the I in the method signature denote that the parameter is optional. Note that you should type square brackets at that position. You will see this notation frequently in Python library reference. Also we have function .clear. It's remove all elements from list. Let's test it. Let's must to print here, to type here .clear method. Run. It's syncing, but it must print clear our list. It must be empty. Something happened with our compiler. Let me to refresh the page. And to our internet. So also here is method count x. It returns the number of times x appears in the list. Also here function dot sort. It sorts the item of the list in place. The arguments can be used for sort customization. Also you can learn more about here. Reverse method and copy method. Reverse will print our function in reverse. Reverse is the elements of the list in place. So I think it's all for today. In next video we will learn more about if statements, more about for loops and method functions. But for today it's all. Thank you for watching and bye.